Hi, today we are going to read the story called Fix It. Remember that when we read our texts, we are very careful at looking at each letter sound. You will see words that have the short I, it, the short a, and the short o, in the middle of the word. What I want us to do today while we read the story Fix It is to go back after we're done reading and go on a little word hunt. You're going to hunt for the word good, and if you find it while you're reading, wonderful. You're just going to be better at finding it when we go back. The word then, T-H-E-N, then, and the word said, S-A-I-D, said. These are our words to know, and if you can find them as you're reading, excellent job, readers. Let's read the text, Fix It, by Sue Chang. She wrote the words, illustrated by John Burr. He drew the pictures or painted these pictures. The map got a rip in it. It was ox, said fox. Ox did it. A job for ox, said dog. Fix it, ox, fix it. I made my voice go higher and louder because there's an exclamation point right here, and that's an excited mark. So make your voice sound excited. Then the calf got a rip in it. Fox did it, said ox. Fox can fix it, said dog. Fix it, fox. The box got a big rip in it. I did it, said dog. I can fix it, ox. Oh, that was nice that he told the truth, wasn't it? Dog did fix it. Good job, dog. Now what I'd like you to do is go back and find our words to know. Good, then, and said, by doing a word hunt. These are so fun to do with your family, and you guys can race on each page if you like. And if you did make a couple mistakes, that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes, even teachers, for sure. And go ahead and reread this story to someone in your family. I bet they'll enjoy it. Have a great time.